You can click the Festivals and Events category icon to explore cultural activities and events happening across the North Shore. There are annual festivals, classes, virtual exhibits, live-streamed concerts, workshops, dance performances, and much more. This map shows annual events that happen on the North Shore around the same time every year. You can see all these here and on the All Categories map. This map also shows current events. To see current events only, such as upcoming festivals and one-off events, you can temporarily hide the annual events. This leaves just the current events on the map. Clicking a point on the map will bring up a pop-up window with information about an event, including an image, description, location, date, time, age groups, type of event, and a link to the event's website or Facebook page. We have set up easy-to-use filters so you can search for current events by type, specific date, cost, or age range. As I search here, I will look for online events. I am keeping the date range open as my schedule these days is fairly flexible. I will search for free events using the filter. The results visible on the map are updated as each filter is added. If you want to see a list of events available based on the filters you've used, you can click the wayfinding icon. This will bring you to a list of upcoming events sorted by start date. Clicking a listing in this panel will show you where on the map this event is taking place and bring up the pop-up window with additional information. We hope you enjoy exploring all of the cultural events that are taking place across the North Shore.